Hey, it's Luana, and I'm here to show you that young adults gotta cook. In today's episode, we're gonna be making chicken long rice. Let's get started. Alright, we're gonna start off by bringing 3 quarts of water to a boil. We'll need chicken, some vermicelli or mung bean noodles, shoyu, some green onions, garlic, ginger, and chicken bouillon, my favorite, black pepper, and salt. For the green onions, we're going to slice the ends off and then cut them into 1-inch pieces, separating the whites from the greens. Then we're going to crush and peel that garlic. The last thing we'll do is slice up the ginger. I only end up using half for this recipe. To the boiling water, we'll add the aromatics, the chicken bouillon, the salt, my favorite, cracked black pepper, and the shoyu. Give it a quick mix, then snap a lid on it. Once our flavorful broth comes to a boil, we're going to add in our chicken and let that cook until it's shreddable. Straining all of this would have been way too easy, so watch as I fish out all the aromatics and then finally get to the chicken. After all that work, you're going to bring the broth back to a boil and then add the vermicelli noodles. Once the noodles are about halfway cooked, you'll be able to tell because there will be a thin white strand in the middle. You're going to want to add the chicken back into the pot and let them kind of get to know each other. As requested by my sister Lena, here's her favorite, chicken long rice. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and if you love Hawaiian food and haven't checked out my Kalua pig video, I'll leave it in the link right up above. Aloha, and I'll see you next Friday.